It's been out here a long time.
Looks like a basket case.
I think I can bring it back.
Chassis rails look solid. Floor pan needs work. Exhaust is gone.
The rear wheels are going to be tricky with the rust on the fenders.
Yeah, we'll need to go slow. How's
All right,
the clearance
Lewis,
look?
I think it's secure. Checking the rear now. Give it a little slack.
Just enough, don't want to damage it.
All right, Lewis, I think it's secure. Checking the rear now. Give it a little slack.
Just enough, don't want to damage it.
The rear passenger wheel well seems solid, but the frame is shot.
The clearance will be tight, we'll need blocks.
Hook up the rear first, keep the weight forward.
Got it, slow and steady. All right, connection's made. Good, let's see if she holds pressure.
That's worse than it looked.
Keep tension.
Got it.
Stop. Okay, hold. Push. Push.
Clear.
Clear. Take a look at this.
Let's take it off. All right, easy does it. Got it, no damage, perfect. All right, come on, you old thing.
Left. Brake the wheels,
There.
Lewis. Got it. Hook coming down now. Clear. Keep it steady. Looking good.
Clearance on my side?
Just a fraction higher.
Okay, clear.
Perfect.
Time for a fresh start. Just look at that shine. Let's get back to work.
All right. This is it. No turning back now.
The geometry of this repair means we go here and then here. Okay.
Still needs a millimeter or two up on this side. Right, I see it. Hold steady. Better? Yeah.
Yep, there it is.
Okay, Lewis, millimeters only. I see it. Hoist up a fraction, reposition, lower, slow, slow. Check the angle. Good, set it.
Perfect. Just like it should be.
Come on. Nothing. Just my luck. Come on. Nothing. Not again.